good for you. Now, in our previous class, we have started chapter 1 from our Beehive textbook. And in this chapter, we have studied about it that in this story, it is a story and this story set in future. You can see I have written on the blackboard. This story is of 2157. So you can understand set in future. It means present. This story is not related to the present time because in the present time we have a textbook like this and due to this corona only you are not coming to school, otherwise we already had the offline classes and in front of you teachers teach you, but nowadays due to this corona you have online classes. But so we can say this story is of a future time, and till in our previous class we have studied that that day when Tommy was Margie was writing in her diary that today Tommy found a real book. This is the starting line of this chapter, and they were talking about a real book like this, and that book related to Tommy's grandfather's grandfather. And this was such a strange thing for the Margie and Tommy because they had not seen textbook like this. They had their textbooks and the notes, everything on the display of the computer. So now I am starting from this chapter, page number 7. Actually page number 7 till we have completed, but then also I am starting from the point 6. Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes because it's not our kind of school, stupid. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. He added loftily. Now loftily means what? Loftily means in a superior way. It means when Margie was telling, because no, she hates school. Why? Because already we have studied that in her geography sector there was something error. So very fastly that the geography teacher was giving her homework and test papers. So due to this she became bored and she didn't like this school. So she was surprised when she heard about that Tommy had a real book and this real book related to the school. But then Tommy explained that this book is related to the 100 years ago. Margie was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, anyway, they had a teacher. Then Margie asked one question to the Tommy. They had a teacher? Then what the Tommy replied? Sure, they had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher. It was a man. Now, this was the amazing thing for the Margie. When Tommy replied that, of course there was a teacher, but not a teacher like we have. They had a teacher like a man. A man? How could a man be a teacher? See, for you, it's not a strange thing because we all know men and women are teachers in our school. But for the Margie and Tommy, it was a new thing. Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. A man is not smart enough. Sure he is. My father knows as much as my teacher. He knows almost as much, I betcha. Margie was not prepared to dispute them. Now, betcha means in informal way and the dispute means disagree. Actually, Margie was not agreed with the statement of the Tommy. Yet she was confused. She can't agree that a man can be a teacher. She said, I wouldn't want a strange man in my house to teach me. And actually she didn't like if a man is a teacher and teach her in her house. She didn't like it because in her house, because they had a classroom in their house only. They all the systems set in their future house only. Tommy screamed with laughter. You don't know much, Margie. The teachers did not live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. Then Tommy explained. Actually, Tommy already read this book, so he could explain. Then he explained to the Margie that what you are thinking. You are thinking like the teacher will come to your house. No, actually there was a special building and all the children went there and Margie. The teachers did not live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. And all the kids learned the same thing. And actually, one teacher was teaching to all the students. You also know, just like I am teaching you. Suppose we had offline classes, then you all sit in your classroom and in front of you one teacher is there and the teacher teaches you the same thing. It means he explains each and everything. That is the same for all the students. But my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl. It teaches and that kid has to be taught differently. Just the same thing didn't do it that way that if you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. I didn't say I didn't like it. Margie said quickly. She wanted to read about those funny schools. And then Margie said, I didn't like it. She hates the school, so she said, I didn't want to read the book. They were not even half finished when Margie's mother called. Margie, school. And when they were reading the book, that time only Margie's mother called her. Margie looked up. Not yet, Mama. Now, said Mrs. Jones. Mrs. Jones is the name of Margie's mother. And it's probably time for Tommy too. Margie said to Tommy, can I read the book some more with you after school? Then Margie replied to Tommy because both had the classes. So she replied that, can I take this book or can I read the book some more with you after school? It means after school means after the finishing our classes. Can I read this book with you? Maybe he said nonchalantly. Nonchalantly means without showing any kind of interest. Nonchalantly means not showing much interest. He walked away whistling, the dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. So like this, he book kept like this beneath his arm, under his arm. Margie went into the schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom. And the mechanical teacher was on, waiting for her. And actually, as she went in her house, already the machine was on, and that machine means that the mechanical teacher was waiting for the Margie. It was always on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. Saturday and Sunday off. Holiday, leave for the Margie. Because her mother said little girls learn better if they learn at regular hours. The screen was lit up and it said, today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fractions. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. Slot means in that machine there was a special place where Margie had kept her yesterday's or previous homework. So it can be checked by the mechanical teacher. Margie did so with a sigh. She was thinking about the old school. And when Margie was in her classroom, still she was thinking about the old school. Because now she became curious. She wanted to know about the school like this. Because in that school, they could enjoy in their house when they were studying. They were not playing with any other, not a single student with them. But so she was thinking about the old school which she read in that real book. She was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came, laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day. They learned the same things, so they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. So now still she was thinking, wow, it means a school where all the students sit together. They can play with each other, they can ask, they can share their problems with each other, they can take help from each other. It means it was a very interesting thing for the Margie. And the teachers were people. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen when we add fractions 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 4. Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. Now you understand? The title is the fun they had. Here they refers to the students of the 100 years ago. It means Margie's and Tommy's grandfather's grandfather. When they were studying in their schools where all the children learn the ask me. Now the question answers which you have to write in your literature notebook. First of all, I want to tell you have to make 2 notebooks. First for literature. Now we have 2 textbooks like the behind and the moment. So you have to make 1 register. No need to divide the register. Simply when you are writing the work of behind, mention behind and chapter number. This is enough. When you are writing the work from the moment chapter, same thing you have to do. And for the grammar, you have to make a single notebook. 150 page notebook enough. So, with this class is over. Thank you for watching the video.